So I'm damn near out of breath. Get me a little water. I know I'm gonna feel this tomorrow. I already know I'm gonna feel this. What's up, guys? It's your girl Rolling with Renee, and I am back again with another video from the 4-week fitness challenge that I'm doing here on YouTube with Juice and Toya. My energy level is pretty good. Like, I'm ready to do this. And it is 5:28 a.m. and we have a 30-minute full body dumbbell circuit. So y'all already see I have my dumbbells already. This is a pair of 10. I don't know, I might be dropping these down, it all depends. But I do want to say thank y'all for tuning in. If you have been tuning in and enjoying this content, make sure that you leave me a big thumbs up and some encouraging words down in the comments, because this is a struggle for me to become a stronger, better me, and that's mind, body, and spirit. So that's why I wanted to bring y'all along, so that you can be inspired or motivated to get moving to becoming a stronger you. So enough of the rambling. I'm gonna go ahead on and do a quick warm up, and then we're gonna get straight into the video. Just pause and say, this workout right here is not gonna be like they're just going back to back to back. So we're going straight out of push-ups directly into another exercise. So it's 8 reps of everything. It's whatever you can get in within 30 minutes. So that's what y'all gonna see. So let's get back to the workout. So that workout is complete. Y'all saw I started with a whole lot of energy. Quickly dispensed all of that. So this was the end of the week. It's Friday. It's technically day 5. It's day 4 for me because day 1 was like a beginner's workout and I didn't even know about that, so I didn't get that one in. So technically this is day 5, but day 4 for me. So it's the end of the week and we ended it out strong. What you saw in this video was, it wasn't, okay, so they gave us like 8 or 9 different exercises and we were supposed to just run through them within 30 minutes, do 8 reps of each. After we complete that full set of exercises and doing 8 reps per exercise, then you start from the back to the beginning and you just do as many as you can within those 30 minutes. So that's what you saw. Some of it, I had forgot what some of the exercises were. So when I saw them doing it, because they were just running through it, they were kind of like, you know, they were just doing their own thing, just pretty much like if you were working in the gym. So you saw me do 8 of everything. It may not have been in order in the way that they were doing it, but as I remembered the exercise, I just went with it. So my biggest challenge are push-ups. So I definitely wanted to get as many of those in as I could because I really need to strengthen my core. I mean, it's not that bad, but it's not that great either. So that's what y'all saw in this video. So once again, that was Juice and Toya, a 30-minute full body dumbbell workout. I was working with 10 pounds, 10 pounds, a pair of 10. So it was basically like 20. And yeah, so I'm damn near out of breath. Give me a little water. I know I'm gonna feel this tomorrow. I already know I'm gonna feel this. But I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Once again, thank y'all for coming through. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do that. Let's go ahead and take care of that now. Like this video, make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload. And yeah, whew, I'll holler at y'all in the next video.